All right, so today we are moving on to a new section. We're moving on to the writing section today. So let's get started with the orientation. Just hold on. All right. So I'm assuming that you're able to see my screen and also able to listen to my voice. So let's get started with the writing section. So we are 12 altogether right now. Great to see all of you. And we have a few new friends also today. So good to see you as well. So let's talk about writing section. Okay. And yes, we know that there are two modules, academic test and general test. And there's a little bit of difference between the writing section in academic module and general module. Academic module, the academic test is the test that you will give if you are applying as a student. But if you are applying as an immigrant, you will be doing the general test. All right. So, yes. What about the GT? Yes. This is the question that I would like to ask everyone now. So, please let me know in the chat box if you are a GT student or an AT student. How many of you are, okay, Neeraj Gimire, GT, Dirga, GT, Puspa, GT. Great. Who else? How many altogether are we? Okay, Archana, AT. Great. Kesari Academic. Great. Okay. Great. Absolutely. Great. Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, I'm going to explain how the AT and GT class is going to be organized. Today, we're only going to do the orientation and we're not going to step into the writing. Today, we're going to do the orientation to writing in a writing section in both AT and GT, and we're going to do the um, you know IELTS speaking mock tests today. All right, so I'm going to explain how we're going to organize the class. Okay, so thank you very much. So let me first explain. Okay, so we know that we have 2 hours class. Okay, so today, Monday, we're going to do orientation to writing and speaking mock test for participants, for students only for today. Okay, so now Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so tomorrow, 6 to 7, we're going to do the academic writing. And 7 to 8, we're going to do the general. On Wednesday, we're going to do the same. But in a different way. We're going to do academic and mock tests. And we're going to do the academic writing, general writing. Academic writing, general writing. So this is how we're going to cover both the academic writing and general writing, part 1. This is only part 1. Next week, we're moving on to essay. Essay is the same for both academic and general students. Okay, so let's talk about this. Okay. All right. So writing, report writing for the academic students and letter writing for the general students. And essay writing is the same for both academic students and general students. So let me repeat again. Part 1, report writing for the academic students and letter writing for the general students. Okay, and now let me introduce you to the report writing. So The graph below shows how people buy music. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So this is a line graph, bar graph, pie chart, table, and we've got the map question. All right, report writing or the letter writing. The duration for task 1 is 20 minutes. 20 minutes for the report writing, 20 minutes for the letter writing. And word requirement is also the same. 150 words for the report writing, 150 words for the letter writing. So the time duration and the word requirement is the same for both the tasks. Tasks for the AT and tasks for the GT. Essay writing. This is your task 2, and essay writing is the same for, as I said you earlier, AT and GT students. The duration is also the same, 40 minutes. In word requirement, at least 250 words. So here are some important issues that is important for us to understand. So here is a sample essay question. Global warming is one of the most serious issues that the world is facing today. What are the causes of global warming, and what measures can governments and individuals take to tackle this issue? So this is one of the essay questions. So you will be given a prompt first, followed by the question. All right, when we get into the essay writing class, we'll talk about different essay questions. But for now, we're just getting oriented with the basics. And there are 10 topics, health, 10, top 10 topics. This means that if you are going to be asked question, the question will probably be related to one of these topics: health, environment, education, development, globalization, public transport, criminal justice, youth crime, technology, government spending. Great. So, this is what our writing class will include. So, this week, we're going to cover part 1. And next week, we're going to talk about part 2. So let's get started with the report writing. But first, we're going to do the mock test. So right now, what we're going to do is till 7. We're going to do mock test, speaking, that we covered last week. And then 7 to 8, we're going to talk about the task 1 for academic students. And we're going to cover task 1 for general students tomorrow. So let's get started with the mock test. So I'm going to invite at least 3 to 4 of our friends who participated in the speaking strategy class. All right. So just hold on. I'm stopping the screen sharing for now. Give me a moment. Let me set the question. Mm-mm. Okay. So first, I would like to invite Dirga. No, you need to stay, and you need to observe the IELTS speaking mock test, because you will learn by observing the mock test as well. So till 7, I want everybody to stay. Okay, Dirga? So I'm going to invite, okay, Kesari. Hi, Kesari. How are you doing today?